Hey, what's going on, guys? Been a while since I uploaded a video. Things have been kind of busy. I had to use my garage as a staging area for some wood projects in the house. So I've had wood and all kinds of stuff in here. I haven't had a chance to really pull any vehicles in here or anything. But it was way overdue time to get the truck washed, which I finally did. And I haven't done an overview video of all the mods. I did one a while ago. We've had quite a bit of work done since then, so I was just wanting to do a quick update video of everything that's been done to the truck so far. So here we are, just looking at it. Just got it done cleaning up. On the front, you can see quite a few things. We have the tow mirrors, we have the grill, we have the Morimoto headlights, the Morimoto fog lights, the bumper grill insert. If we look down and see the cross member there for the 4-inch BDS lift kit. It said the Morimoto headlights. Those were not cheap, but I absolutely love them. And then the matching fog lights. The 4-inch BDS lift, and then for wheels we have these are 20 by 10 Ultra Hunters, and on top of those is 33 by 12 and a half Nitto Ridge Grapplers. And we have these tow mirrors. What had happened is this car actually got sideswiped and somebody took out my old mirror. So instead of just replacing them, I upgraded them to the tow mirrors. The only thing I want to do with these is I want to figure out a way to smoke out those lenses. I've seen these with smoked lenses. I was not able to find any for this truck that already had them. So I don't know if I can find just the smoked lenses to replace them or how to do that, but that's something to figure out down the road. Do have the amp power steps. They are in the down position because I was washing the car and they did get pretty dirty. Again, the rear, it's the Fox 2.0 shocks and just lift blocks in the back from the BDS kit. In the rear, these are the Anzo Gen 2 taillights. I don't love them, but from all the headlights that I've seen that are available, those are probably my favorite ones. I just have not found tail light that I absolutely love yet. And then in the back, we do have the amp step to make it easier to get into the bed of the truck. Do have the custom done Ford badge on the back. I have a Bmw Trailer Hitch. It's the 3 balls in one stowaway. That comes in handy because I tow quite a few different things, so it's always nice to have the correct ball always, and never have any issues in trying to find the right one. One thing I wish is if this had one more circle down, then it would be the perfect height. If I got the bigger one, I think that added like 3 or 4 those holes, and that was just hung way down too low. This one's like I said, it's just one hole too short. If it was one hole longer, it would have been perfect. But I haven't had any issues towing with that. I mean, this thing is very sturdy and strong. In the tailgate, do have the tailgate assist, so that opens nice and smooth. The bed rug in the back, and the Bach revolver tonneau cover, which rolls up. Yeah, so there goes the power step. So you see it with the step up. Gives it quite a bit of extra clearance. I think it gives it an overall cleaner look than it did with the stock running boards on there. But anyway, that's all there is so far. Do have a couple of things on order. that we are going to continue modding this with. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about any of these and my experience with any of them, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will be back with another video.